Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to protect your Facebook account from fake login pages. Phishing sites look exactly like Facebook and steal your credentials, and avoiding them is critical for security. Step 1, check the URL carefully. Real Facebook pages use https://www.facebook.com. Avoid links with extra words, numbers, or misspellings. Step 2, don't log in from links. Phishing links come via email, SMS, or messages. Always open Facebook manually or via the official app. Step 3, enable two-factor authentication. Go to settings and privacy greater than security and login. 2FA using an authenticator app blocks attackers even if the password is stolen. Step 4, turn on login alerts. Get notifications for unrecognized logins. This helps you react quickly if credentials are compromised. Step 5, secure your browser. Update your browser and remove unknown extensions. Malicious extensions can redirect to fake sites. Step 6, use password manager warnings. Password managers won't autofill on fake pages. If autofill fails, stop immediately. Step 7, check active sessions. Go to where you're logged in and remove unknown sessions. This kills any stolen access. If you think you entered details on a fake page, immediately change your password and visit facebook.com/hacked. Outro. So yeah, protecting Facebook from fake login pages means checking URLs, avoiding login links, using 2FA, enabling alerts, securing your browser, trusting autofill warnings, and monitoring sessions. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.